In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Viber not sending messages. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if Viber is not sending messages, there could be multiple causes. So these are network issues, app glitches, or even account problems. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to check your internet connection. So make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also try opening another web page or another app that requires internet. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open up Google Chrome here. Now if I've got internet, that's a good thing. If I don't, go ahead and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now the next fix is to force close your Viber app. So just go ahead and force close your Viber app. So I'm going to close all and then restart. Now the next fix is to clear cache. Almost knocked my coffee over there. So to do this, go ahead and click on Viber, click and hold it down, and click onto click onto storage, and now from here go ahead and clear cache. Now another fix we can try is to check the Viber status. So go ahead and open up a web browser, and then I'm just going to go back to Google here. Now I'm going to type in check Viber server status, and now basically go to down detector, or is it down right now, and just go ahead and see if there are any issues. If there is, there's nothing you can do to fix this. You just got to wait for the service to get back. So you can see here Viber outage reported in the last 24 hours, none. But if there's any issues, you're going to see these on any of these down detector tools. Now one of the last fixes here is to check and ensure correct date and time. So go to settings, then from here click into date and time. So where is it on my screen? I think I went past it. All right, so I need to go to general management, date and time, click into date and time, and make sure this is selected. So automatically use date and time. So use the date and time provided by your network. If you've disabled that, that's going to cause issues on your Viber app, and probably a lot of other apps as well are probably not going to be functioning properly.